Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can use this projector in your home. See here, this is the projector which is projecting the screen on the wall. So I'll tell you as a beginner how you can use this projector. Give you very simple steps so that you can get to know. So first of all, adjust the position here. See here, now this is projecting the screen a bit corner, so still I adjusted. Make sure you project a very straight line, that would be good as a beginner. So on the remote actions I'll be telling you. Let me switch on the light once. The first thing many users want is how to connect with the mobile and how to connect with the laptop. See, there is a laptop here with me. So first I'll tell you how you can connect with the laptop and project the laptop screen on that wall, and later this mobile. So I'll keep this mobile aside. First of all, let us see with the laptop. Connect the HDMI cable to one side of your laptop, put it on the safe side, and onto the other side just connect this HDMI cable to the HDMI port provided at the back side of the projector. Okay, once it is connected, just focus on the projecting screen. Okay, right, this is fine. Right, now take your remote. This is the remote. Okay, fine. Now on the remote there is one button which is source here. If you can see, is it visible? Yeah, click on this source symbol, tap on the source symbol, right? So if you can see, maybe I can take this close here so that you will get to know the exact click on the source. See here, HDMI input source. Maybe I can show you like this. See, HDMI you need to select. This media browser is there, right? Just select this OK button, HDMI and OK. Now your computer will be projecting on the screen, right? See now, right, this Google screen is projecting on the, maybe I can just show you by lifting this. I'll just search YouTube. See the YouTube. I'll switch off the light once. If the HDMI cable is not connected properly, you will see the error. Yeah, see here. Okay, now we'll keep the laptop aside and we'll check with the mobile. I'll switch on the light once. Again I'll be pressing on this source button and I'll go to media browser and source. Yeah, this is the home page, right? Now if you want YouTube, you can just navigate like this and find the YouTube app which is available. This is a simple navigation. Okay, Yeah, this is YouTube. Okay, if you select it, YouTube will be opening. Now I'll be telling how you can project phone with the Miracast. Okay, first of all, on your projector, navigate to Miracast. Okay, this is the Miracast. Okay, I'll be showing you by the close-up Miracast and select this. So keep the projector in the Miracast mode. Okay, now this is in the Miracast mode. On your mobile, what you need to do is open your phone settings, and here just search as cast, CAST, right? Click on this cast and again press the cast. Remember, your projector and phone should be in the same Wi-Fi, and it is showing like Mcast. Click on this Mcast and it is saying like connecting. Simple. Keep the projector in the Miracast mode, open the phone settings and click on the cast. That's it. Now see here, ready to play. Okay, I'll switch off the light so that you can see. If you can see, so I can maybe take this to the close here, right? So in this way, yeah, you can make use of this projector. If you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.